cold stone. Sing. Listen good now. Man I ask, where God there? Me say, brother, looking at your chest. See him breath where I rise in the morning. At the most I rest. Holy book and shelf. Still them can't read themselves. Check your heart when it quiet, quiet. I did the real wealth. Dwelling chant in our souls. Divine fire keep we whole. From yard to the wider world. Jah light in every little boy and girl. Ancient chant in our soul. Stand firm, now lose control. When the system of pressure we down. We are king, we are queen, we are crown. Them teach say you're small and dirty, me say you're sacred. Youth. Every scar on your skin a scripture. Every tear a little piece of truth. No sell your mind for vanity. No bow for little popularity. Members say silence louder than whole heap of fake clarity. Ancient chanting our soul. Divine fire keep we whole. From yard to the wider world. Jah light in every little boy and girl. See the elder woman pon the lane. Wrinkle, wrinkle, but she still a shine. Every line pon her face a parable. Every laugh a holy sign. Pick me your blessed, she said. Even when things rough, all fade. River stubborn when rock try block it. It still find an escape. Overstand, not just overrate. Time long, but spirit not late. We rise, we drop, we rise. Same sun, same sky, same fate. So when you feel broke down, lonely, remind yourself, Jah dey near. Hold a deep draw of clean breeze. Exhale the doubt, keep the prayer. Chanting how we soul. I call food, I call mind, I call liberty, straight divine. Rise up, brother, wash your face in the downlight. Burn out the toxin, clean out, make your soul bright. Plant up the garden, watch the pumpkin and the callaloo. If the roots stay righteous, fruit can't switch upon you. Gotta tell me, take your time when you yam you. Chew up the blessing, give thanks for the little proof. Every grain, every leaf, every sip where you choose is a little revolution in the food you use. I tell you, I'm a veil, me not stray. Natural order guide my way. Every day from a plate to my thought to the word where me say clean life, clean mind, chase the dirty vibes away. Them self-fastings, quick things in a plastic dream, but your spirit get taxed when you follow that scheme. Season a life with herb, with dime, with steam. Simplicity of the real rich scene. Look on the youth, them hungry for your next trend. Give me one pot stew, make we reason, make we men tell them. Check your heartbeat, feel how it align. Body is a temple, treat it like a shrine. Darling, I'm a veil, me not stray. Natural order guide me way. Every day from a plate to my thought to the word where me say clean life, clean mind, chase it out the dodger break. Watch how you cook, watch how you think. Every little spice, shift how you link. Hear me now. You breathe deep truth, exhale proof. Not only on the fire, I tell the inner speech. Careful where you share, careful why you teach. If your mouth full of poison, why you really preach? Me say love is the law that I reach. So when stress come knock, make your kettle sing. Sip a roots tea, overstand everything's. Meditate on the stillness, hear the lion chant. Everything you need, you know for beg nor flaunt. Talent I'm a vein, me not stray. Natural order guide my way. Every day from my play to my thought to the word where me say clean life, clean mind, chase the dirty vibes away.
Hear the voice as I am in every little trail. Hey, them say, Rasta, why you stubborn so? Me say, Babylon blind, them can't see the glow. Truth in the book where them born long time. Still carving a stone, still there in my mind. Head wrapped tight, lion crest on the chase. Whole heap of stress, still jobless every step. Hungry days come, but the soul well fed. Cause of wisdom and idol in a me little yard shed. Rastafari in a me heart. Fire burn falsehood, cleanse it out. Stand firm like rock, me can't sway. Shall I lead the way, lead the way. Rastafari in a me heart. Every little youth is a spark. From the gully to the hilltop, pray. Shall I lead the way, lead the way? Them teach history like we start on the slave ship. But a crown and a throne in a me lineage script. Overstand self, then you overstand pain. Every lash, every chain, bring back the same name. See poor man smile with him one shirt clean. Rich man cry cause him heart unclean. So who really rich? Tell me who really poor? When the graveyard level, every rank, every score.
Selassie, I guide.
Man a reason deep when the night sky bright. Why for envy man care when your own so light? Why for trade truth just for little airtime hype? Life a little breeze on a hot zinc roof. Gone in a flash if you can't stand truth. So me trot slow, humble with a warrior face. Cause a meek man inherit the whole damn place. Yeah, Rastafari life in a me heart. Fire burn falsehood, cleanse the dark. Stand firm like rock, me can't sway. Shall I lead the way, lead the way. Rastafari life in a me heart. Every little youth is a spark. From the gully to the hilltop, pray. Shall I lead the way, lead the way.
Sun just a creep. Lion pon me wall, watch while me sleep. Granny say, youth, remember when me teach. Rasta no bow, even when things reach. Barefoot trod, just inna me heel. Babylon a shine, but it fake, it no real. True gold like deep, under the clay. Open up your mind, make Jah light way. Rastafari run things, see. From the little seed to the big fig tree. Head high, heart Rastafari run things. See, fire in a chest, love in a speech. Stand firm, nah, lean. Lion from the hills where them can bleach. Them sell chi and watch. Big scheme, still can't buy love, can't buy dream. Enough man rich, yet them spirit lean. Hungry for the likes, but them soul not green. Rasta read book, but we read the land too. Study every cloud, every drop I do. Overstand life is a circular flow. Everything I seed, every seed can grow. Me say, who are your boss? If I paycheck talk, then you don't get lost. If a vanity flash, that soon get crossed. But if I die in your heart, you coulda walk through glass. Step up, step up. One step, you go higher. Mind like water, get your heart full of fire. Rastafari run things, see. From the little seed to the big fig tree. Head high, heart clean. More than a color, more than a dream. Rastafari run things, see. Fire in a chest, love in a speech. Stand firm, nah, lean. Lion from the hills where them can bleed. Big scheme, still can't buy love, can't buy dream. Enough man rich, yet them spirit lean. Hungry for the likes, but them soul not green. Rasta read book, but we read the land too. Study every cloud, every drop I do. Overstand life is a circle, a flow. Everything I seed, every seed can grow. Me say, who are your boss? If I pay a check top, then you don't get lost. Vanity flash that soon get crossed. But if I join your heart, you coulda walk through glass. Step up, one step, you go higher. Mind like water, get your heart full of fire. Rastafari run things, see. From the little seed to the big fig tree. Head high, heart clean. More than a color, more than a dream. Rastafari run things, see. Fire in a chest, love in a speech. Stand firm, nah lean. Lion from the hills where them can bleach. car, big chain. Heart still a cry, serenity a the key. Make the chaos pass by. My granny say, take time, little boy, breathe. Now war with yourself, plant love like seed. Enough talk about tough, but true strength gentle. Coming at the middle of the mental battle, serenity. Jack calm the sea. Storm they out there, but they can't touch me. Deep in my soul, my spirit feel free. Hey, hey, serenity. Jack calm the sea. Storm they out there, but they can't touch me. Deep in my soul, my spirit feel free. Me say, why me feel vex when me still there? Every setback a step, we go reach further. Pressure bust pipe, but it shape diamond too. Overstand your pain, it a school for you. Mind like river, no fight when it flow. Some things we release, make the old things go. Oh, me pray in a silence, wordless chat. Jah read my heart, him don't know that. Serenity, Jah calm me see. Storm they out there, but it can't touch me. Deep in my soul, my spirit feel free. Yeah, yeah, serenity. Jah calm me see. Storm they out there, but it can't touch me. Deep in my soul, my spirit feel free. Breathe in, breathe out. All faith, no doubt. When the world get loud, turn your vibe down low. Listen to your heartbeat, hear your own echo. True riches are rest when your head touch pillow. Clean conscience, light like feather, soft like willow. Oh, soft like willow. From long time, yeah. Truth older than stone. Sing, listen good now. Man a ask where God there. Me say, brother looking at your chest. Same breath where you rise in the morning. At the most I rest. Holy poop on shelf. Still them can't read themselves. Check your heart when it quiet, quiet. Are they the real way? Dwell ancient chant in our soul. Divine fire keep we whole. From here to the wider world. Jah light in every little boy and girl. Ancient chant in our soul. Stand firm, now lose control. When the system a pressure we down. We are king, we are queen, we are crown. Them teach say you're small and dirty, me say you sacred you. Every scarp on your skin a scripture. Every tear a little piece of truth. Now sell your mind for vanity. No more for little popularity. Member say silence louder than no leap of fake clarity. Ancient chanting now we soul. Divine fire keep we whole. From here to the wider world. Jah light in every little boy and girl. Ancient chanting now we soul. Stand firm, now lose control. When the system of pressure we down. a king, we a queen, we a crown. See the elder woman pon the lane,
Wrinkle, wrinkle,
but she still a shine. Every line pon her face a parable, every laugh a holy sign. Pick me you're blessed,
she said.
even when things rough. Hold fear. River stubborn when rock try block it. It still find a next gear to overstand, not just overrate.
Time long,
But spirit not late. We rise, we drop,
we rise.
same sun, same sky, same fate. So when you feel broke down, lonely, remind yourself,
Jordan here.
hold a deep draft, clean breeze. Exhale the doubt, keep the prayer and chanting how we soul. Divine fire keep we whole. From here to the wider world, Jah light in every little boy and girl. And chanting how we soul.
Where shall we down? Keep we a crown.
Early morning breeze, steam rise from the pot. Roots in a cup overstand, but now stop. The tile pan my fire, coconut tile in the pan. Granny said, little youth, sight yourself, know your plan. Me cut the season champs on while me stir. Spirit not the steam and testers there. Me sure modern world want me rush. Me just slow cook. Every grain, every leaf is a holy book. Them chase gold, we a chase higher brain. If your heart still dark, how you claim you gain? I tell in my vein, make me tread so clean. From my plate to my thought, everything stay green. Deep in the mind, deep for the nation. One little bite turn prayer meditation. I tell in my vein, give me strength to rise. From the street to the hills, truth in my eyes. We not just yam food, we a yam salvation. Every roots, every fruit is a revolution. Party shop full of fry, me take the side road. Market to man say, Rasta you walk with code. Me tell her, sister, I love me a seek. Nothing way I dead can't feed me peak. Call it discipline, me call it pure joy. See the little pitney, give me drum, give me tie. Them need more than sweet bag juice, soft light. Them need real food for dream, real wings for fly. In my vein, make my trot so clean. From my plate to my thought, everything stay green. Deep in the mind, deep for the nation. One little bite turn prayer meditation. I tell in my vein, give me strength for rise. From the street to the hills, truth in my eyes. We not just yam food, we a yam salvation. Every roots, yeah. Me say I tell her more than peace pan the plate. How you speak truth, how you navigate it. The way you deal with dirt with your own heartbeat. How you step on the land, how you share your meat. It the liberty, the ethic, the creed. When Babylon a push speed, we a plant seed. Every little herb, every yam, every grain, a reminder say calm can